Hello students, in this video we will see how we can add text and speech to a sprite in Scratch. So let's get started. To make this cat speak something, the text part, what we will do is we'll go to looks, we'll drag and drop, say hello for 2 seconds. Let us assume we want this cat to print out hi. So I'll write here hi. So whenever you click on this block, it will show hi in the output screen. Basically, it is called printing the output on the screen. Now, what I want is, whenever this green flag is clicked, at that time it should say hi. So for that, I'll go to events, I'll drag and drop when green flag clicked. Now, whenever I am pressing green flag, it is saying hi. Now, I want this cat to speak hi too. For that, we'll add an extension. To add extension, we'll go to bottom left part of the screen. We'll click on add extension. We'll select text to speech. Here, we'll drag and drop speak hello. We'll click on hello and we'll change it to hi. Now, whenever I press green flag, not only it will say hi, but also it will speak hi. So let us test it.
Hi.
Now you could see it also spoke hi. Now we can even change its voice. So I'll drag and drop, set voice to let's say giant, and now just see what happens. Whenever I press green flag, its voice will change. So let's see.
Hi.
Now also you can just change the language. To change language, we'll click, we'll drag and drop, set language to English. We'll click on English and we can choose any of the language. Let's test it out.
Hi.
This is the output. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.